What about school?
School's for squares. A fool can't make no money at school.
In and out of there? Barely.
About to ride this way.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. I know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. All right, so fresh up out the post office, no gym, about to eat what I want, drink what I want. Ooh, you got it. Kind of hot though. Let me see what I want. 20% off a movie at Fandango.
Man, that ain't shit.
White boy Rick. Anyway, man, F all that. You already know what this is. This is Wavy's sneaker rotation.
You non-talking bastard.
You already know what this is. This is Wavy's weekly sneaker rotation. Where I show you all the sneaks that I've rocked throughout the week. Throwing a few Bama fits.
You know my style, baby.
And you already know how it goes, man. If you like it, you like it. If you don't,
Slap the shit out you, bitch.
So anyway, man, about to get into the vid. When we come back, I got some teas that I'm gonna unbox. I was gonna do a separate vid, but my time these days are, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, see ya when I see you in a second. Oh, yo, no, stop. My bad. Thank y'all for 300 likes last week. I thank y'all for that. I'm gonna be asking for around the neighborhood of 250 to 275 on this one. Cause I
Spit it out.
I don't know. Y'all just check out the vid, man. See y'all when I see you in a second. 250 likes though, or 275. Out. Sunday, sneakerheads go to the zoo. You thought I was gonna say church. No, I did go to church. Don't know if I rock these though. But anyway, man, F all that. I pulled out the Kobe 8 Christmas joints. And you gotta be careful with these, man. You see what they did to my jeans when I tried to put them on. Nah, I'm just playing. Everybody know you're supposed to put your jeans on second, right? Nah, hey, but anyway, man, F all that. I'm rocking these with some embellished jeans, shredded to hell, hit up by Valaire's. You already know I'm outside of the Bronx Zoo. I just kept it simple with a black tee. I'm also perping like I'm really on the phone, but I'm not. Yeah, you already know, brother. Peep the pose, peep the wall. Ow. Monday, Labor Day, I broke out my favorite foam posits of all time. The electric blue joints. I love these. Ooh, word. But anyway, man, F all that. I'm rocking these with some minimal LA jeans that I cut myself, that I have Valleire hem, and hopefully I'll get them little frizzies back at the end. On top of that, I got an Andre Dawson jersey, that Florida Marlins joint. Shout out to my homie Paul Regard for holding me down with his jersey too, yo. And finish that off, I got that Florida Marlins fitted cap with the World Series side patch. And peep the green Lacoste face cloth that my cousin left when she came visit. And I'm just enjoying this last day at the beach. Vlog coming soon. It's gonna be better than the last one, trust me. And you already know, brother, peep the pose. Ow. Wednesday, I broke out one of my favorite non-hype, non-Jordan, non-foam positive sneaker there is. The Diamond Turfs. Love these right here. I always say I wish I could get the ones with the 21-24, but it's all good, man. On top of that, I'm rocking these with some Indigo Citizens of Humanity jeans. You already know, man, a white tee is a white tee. Don't make no difference if it's a naughty. Copped it at the outlets, along with the Nautica cap. And it was another nice day in the Bronx. You already know, brother. Peep the pose. Ow. Thursday, broke out the Jordan 3 Katrinas. Rocking these with some light bullhead jeans. You already know, 2 for $35. The tees from Effectus Clothing. That paper chase joint looking like the North Face. Use my discount code WAVY, save 25%. And to finish that off, I got that Pablo Dad cap from Execute 101. Use my discount code WAVY, save 20%. You already know, brother. Peep the pose. Ow. Friday, peep the rubber band. Word. Perks of work. Nah, but anyway, yo, I broke out the black flight posits, the OG joints right here, man. Love these. Peep the soul. Got these joints for free. Shout out to my homegirl. Word. Anyway, on top of that, I'm rocking these with some Ralph Lauren jeans that I copped back in 2011 or 12. Word. Revived by Valaire's. These are my soldiers right here. Finish that off. I got that tee by Wavy. No relation. You already know, brother. Peep the pose. Ow. Saturday. Real chill day. I broke out the Jordan 6 Black Cat joints. These are like my ACG type joints right here. If it's raining, if I'm bumming, these are my go-to right here. And speaking of bumming, I broke out my bummy jacks, my Nike Tech Venom joggers. I wish I could find another pair of these for the low. The Tees by Effectus Clothing. It's the belly joint. You already know the discount code. And to finish that off, I got that black Chicago White Sox fitted cap with the World Series side patch. You already know, brother. Peep the pose. No wall. Out. They ain't see how I pulled out the electric blue foam, so. Or anyway, yo, if y'all like that vid, do me a favor. Hit me off with like 250, 275, 275 at least. Hit me off with that 275. Do me that favor. Like I said, thank y'all for hitting me off with that 300 last week. I really appreciate it. Dead ass. Like, no lie. Word. But anyway, man, let's get into this box from Effectus Clothing. Shout out to Effectus Clothing. You already know, use my discount code WAVY, save 25%. I kind of got a feeling what these tees are going to be. I was kind of excited when I seen these joints. Thought you forgot about me, but you didn't. You know what I'm saying? Word. But yeah, let's check this out. All right, first tee. Oh yeah, these are for the Melo joints right here. We're gonna have an interruption soon. I can just feel it. But anyway, yo, bam. First up, got that Shake Up the World Muhammad Ali joint. Next tee we got Wild Wild West Outlaws. Let's see. Okay, Don't Be a Menace joint. Boom. There we go. Like I said, these for the Melo 12s. Yeah, Melo 12. No, Melo 13s, my bad. I ain't copping, as you can tell. Nah, but yo, you can rock these joints with Timbs though if you want. You don't have to, you know. Hey, but this one right here, this is my favorite one right here. Always got a favorite. Always got a favorite. Oh, you know, word. Hell yeah. Drip. Point blank. Yo, Nature Boy. Woo! Like I said, y'all like that vid, man. Yo. Hold me down.
We ain't gonna do no such a thing.
I got some more vlogs coming. Let me know if y'all copping the 13s when they drop. Let me know if y'all copping those joints. What else? I got another vlog I'm gonna do this weekend. I've been procrastinating on this pickup right here, but yeah, I'm gonna vlog it. I'm definitely gonna vlog it. The following week, I really don't want to spoil it. Well, ain't nothing to spoil, but once y'all see my other vlog, then you know, we can go into discussion about the Jordan 1s dropping on the 22nd. I've been going like back and forth. Now I'm just like all ADD'd up, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yo, I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me. Thank you. Shout out to the Wave Mob. Comment. Don't forget, hit that like button. That's the last time I'm gonna say it.
Good.
Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be... But that's Snups.
You gonna die!
It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Who y'all going for? Triple G or Alvarez? See you when I see you.